back to my channel. So today I am excited. We're going to be playing with the Dose of Colors Baked Browns eyeshadow palette, and super excited. I have a really nice look in mind. I hope it comes out the way I picture it. But yeah, so let's just get right into it. So my face, I'm sorry if you guys can hear my kid. So my face has been a little dry lately, so I'm going to go in with this essential oils, the MAC Prep and Prime, and just pour a little bit. So I'm going to go in with my Strobe cream. I'm kind of like hella hydrating myself right now because my face is hella dry lately. It's usually not like this. So I'm going to go in with this Strobe cream, and this is in the shade Goldlite. And then I'm going to go with the actual primer, which is what I use every single day, which I'm going to have to stock up on. But this is the HangoverX from Too Faced. I love this primer since it came out. I'm going to try and restock as soon as as soon as I see that I'm running out. Like when I have just a little bit left, I go and I restock. But lately I've just been buying like the travel size that they have at like at Ulta, like right before you check out. You know how like they have like that big stand of travel products. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime, and this is new for me. I used it in my previous video. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it yet, and I almost dropped that. Yeah. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with my brows. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Dip Brow because I want more of that dramatic brow since I'm going for like a more dramatic look. And I am going to be putting a drop of the oil just because my thing is kind of dried out already. So I've been at home a lot lately. I got laid off from my job. Like I'll do like Lyft and stuff, but I've been at home a lot lately. And I've been watching movies on Netflix, and I watched The Pianist. Oh my god, you guys, that is such a great movie. I would highly recommend it. If you guys have not watched it yet, I would definitely watch it. So adding that oil like really helped with my product. It definitely made it a lot easier to apply to the face. If you guys are like, well, not into it, but like if you guys are sensitive to sad movies, don't watch this next movie. But if you guys really enjoy like those types of movies, definitely watch what is it called? And I just watched it today. The Boy in the Striped Pajamas. That is such a great movie, but it's so sad. If you guys have any other recommendations for movies on Netflix, let me know. I've really been liking that they had like older movies out lately. Like I'm a huge fan of Indiana Jones, and they had all 4 of his movies out there. And then my boyfriend actually had me watch Indian in a Cupboard, which I have never seen, and it's an old movie. It's like it was made when I was 2 years old. I have never seen it, but oh my god, it was the cutest movie ever. Like if you guys haven't seen that one either, definitely go and check that out. I'm trying to grow out my brows like on my own. I haven't been going and getting them done, but I feel like it's come to that point where like I need to go get them done and reshape or something. Like I like the shape of my brows, it's just they're not even, and I hate it. And I feel like you can tell. This brow came out really nice. This brow came out really long. Okay, so for the top part of my brow, I go with my foundation just so it's like, doesn't look like my eyebrows floating, with like the brightness on top as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go prime my eyes with the MAC Painterly Pro Longwear Paint Pot. I'm gonna be going in with the Baked Browns from Dose of Colors. I've really been wanting to play with this palette. So I'm going to go in with the shade right here, which is called Deserted, as my transition shade. And you guys, these are really, really pigmented. I don't know if you guys can tell. These are really, really pigmented, so just go little by little, like, just don't apply it too much right away. I just start off by tapping it. Since I don't set my base anymore, I just start by tapping it until I get it all over the lid like I want. I'm gonna go in with a clean blending brush and just kind of blend all that out. And they do have a lot of fallout, like you can tell. And this is why I never ever do my face before my foundation, because your girl hates fallout. So I'm going to take another clean brush and then I'm going to go in with the darkest brown right here, which is Rock Bottom. And I'm going to place that pretty much all over my lid because I want to do that dark look. And this is going to be an all matte eyeshadow eye look. What I meant. I'm kind of just packing it on here and then I'll go in and I'll blend it out after. Okay, so I'm gonna just go and blend it out with whatever excess I have on my brush. I'm going to go in with the original brush that I use for the transition shade. I'm going to go in with that clean blending brush that we took and just kind of blend everything together. So I'm going to go do the other eye off camera so I don't make this video too long for you guys. So I will be right back. Okay, so I went and I finished the other eye. I popped on some lashes. I'm using the Koko lashes in Demi and Baby G. And I think they gave me like a very nice flare to the eyes. So now I'm just going to go wipe off like some of the excess stuff I got on my face. Okay. So I'm going to go in with foundation. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I'm in the shade Y325. Like I said in my last video, this has been my favorite go-to foundation for like 2 years now, you guys. I just like that it's not like super full coverage, but I do build it up to full coverage, of course, because you know your girl likes full coverage. But it's not like those foundations where like if you build it up it looks heavy. So I go over just a little bit just to add that second layer. And it gives you like, even like after all the products, you see how like glowy my skin still looks. That's what I love. Okay, so I haven't set my brows, so I'm gonna use my Anastasia brow gel, which I think I'm running out of. which I didn't even think about getting it at IMAX because I'm an idiot. So for concealer, I am going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I have a few videos I want to do of like the new products I got at IMAX, so that's why I haven't incorporated it in yet in any of my videos yet, because I want to do like a full day of first impressions just to see how it all wears. So right now I'm just using products that I know work for my skin, work for my face at least. And this so far has to be like my favorite concealer. I know a lot of people are like saying there's other ones, and I really like the Too Faced one, but I think the shade that I got was a little too white for my skin tone. Feels so weird. Okay, so this is like the first time like I put lashes on before doing the rest of my face, and it feels so weird like having to look up and I can feel my lashes touching like the top part. And just to blend it out, I use the side I had foundation on just to like kind of make it blend a little bit better. Okay, so of course to set all of that, I'm gonna be going in with the Laura Mercier powder. I haven't tried any other powders. I do have the ColourPop translucent powder to try in my collection, but again, that's another video I want to do like early in the morning and do like a wear test throughout the day. So I'm kind of just going and setting my whole entire face, especially my nose, because y'all know my nose gets hella oily. I'm gonna go in with my trusty bronzer. I love this bronzer so much. This is like my favorite bronzer ever. Like I just freaking love this bronzer so much. And I was said in like a previous video, I don't see a lot of people using these, but they're so good. Like they blend out so nicely. I gotta ask my friend Shelly if she liked hers, because I know she got a different shade than she was supposed to. So on this side, I always have a difficult time with my bronzer because I don't know if you guys can tell, but right there I have a dry patch and nothing ever freaking just. I'm going to use my Cake and Bake Sponge from Vermona. It's not damp or anything, so I'm just going to use it for the edge, that nice precise edge. Just because with this sponge, it doesn't have that sharp edge, so I can never get it right. Okay, so I'm gonna let that just sit like that. Not usually how I do it, because I usually do it like further. My battery is about to die. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with the Deserted shade. I'm gonna take that darker shade that I used and just pop that right in there too. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. So then for my highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Time Los Angeles Highlight Heaven Glow Palette. If you guys have not picked this up yet, definitely recommend it because it's a really great highlight palette. Do you guys just see how gorgeous that is? Huh? Okay, so I'm going to take a smaller brush and place that over. So I'm going to go and contour my nose. I've also used the ABH to contour my nose now. Do you guys see how red my eye is getting? I don't know. And after that, I go in with my beauty blender and just kind of blend it out a little more so it looks more It looks seamlessly blended. Going back into that highlight, I'm gonna go and highlight my nose. That's intense, you guys. Like, you guys see how bomb that highlight is. I'm gonna take a pencil brush and highlight. I'm gonna just take a tad bit of Heavenly, which is that like icy white, and put it right in the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with my Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in Mudslide. So it's really nice chocolatey brown. These are by far one of my favorite lip pencils that I have ever used. So I'm going to go in with another Gerard Cosmetics product, and this is in Boss Lady. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to go do is set my face with my Slay All Day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics. And this is in the shade Watermelon. In the scent Watermelon. And it smells so good. I really like to go in with my setting spray. And then just fan it out. So I'm going to go and do my hair, and I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was like a really brown, smoky eye. I really love how it came out. I kind of left the waterline bare because I didn't want to add a black, because I felt like adding the black was going to just make my eyes look a little smaller. So I kind of just left it bare. I hope you guys like it. This highlight though, you guys. So yeah, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give me some suggestions of videos you guys would like to see this upcoming year down in the comments down below, and I will definitely be getting those out for you. Yeah, that's all for today. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.